If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Introducing razor-tooth saws from Corona. Razor-tooth saw blades are engineered with high-carbon Japanese SK5 steel. Razor-tooth saws also have a final hard chrome layer applied to the blade, which reduces friction during the cut. This also provides a rust preventative layer for longer life. Each saw tooth is triple ground, providing 3 multifaceted angles for easier cuts. They have up to 6 teeth per inch to cover more cutting surface with fewer strokes. The focused impulse hardening process on the teeth maintains sharpness even after multiple cuts. Razor-tooth saw blades are featured in a series of Corona pruning tools, including folding saws, fixed saws, and pole saws, so you can finish all your tree trimming tasks fast and efficiently. Corona Tools, the confidence you need to get the job done right, season after season.